Introducing the Veritas Learning Lab, a new cloud-based training platform for Veritas education customers. The Veritas Learning Lab is available to you 24 hours a day from any location and enables you to learn by doing to build your expertise in Veritas products and technologies. The Veritas Learning Lab provides you with practical, hands-on experience with Veritas products, using the same labs provided in our Veritas classrooms. Labs can be spun up in minutes within an internet browser, providing you with access to a rich, pre-built environment containing Veritas products and associated technologies. Each lab is comprised of multiple self-contained lab environments focused on different areas of the product. Guided step-by-step instructions enable you to learn about deploying and managing Veritas products in a structured fashion. Where available, additional features such as assessments and challenge labs provide a rich learning experience. Learn how products and features integrate with each other in a safe training environment. The Veritas Learning Lab helps you to build experience and a deeper understanding of Veritas products, advancing your expertise and confidence. The Veritas Learning Lab also functions as your own personal sandbox environment, allowing you to learn about and evaluate new features before implementing them in your environment. With 6 months of access to your own personal labs, you can learn at your own pace and around your own schedule. You can even save your lab work and come back to it later to complete an exercise. The Veritas Learning Lab helps you gain the real-world experience that's required to manage complex technologies in a risk-free environment that's available anytime, anywhere. For more information, visit go.veritas.com/training and register to access the Veritas Learning Lab today.